Looking for the best science toys? In this video we look at some of the top 3 science toys on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Mini Explorer, Light Up Terrarium Kit for Kids. Pros: includes everything needed to grow living plants, including soil, seeds, and a lighted terrarium jar. Comes with stickers and characters so youngsters can customize their miniature container gardens. Cons: a few terrariums arrived with missing pieces, and some had dud seeds. Light has been known to quit working. Bottom line: although some quality control concerns have been noted, this is a good choice for aspiring scientists who love to watch plants grow. At number 2. Scientific Explorer, my first mind-blowing science kit. Pros: entertaining. 11 chemistry-based experiments that are easy and educational. Youngsters can't get enough of the colorful volcano-like projects. Cons: maybe too remedial and not very exciting for more advanced or older kids. Can be messy. Bottom line: if you're looking for affordable, educational fun for your child, this is a good choice. Easy to do, informative, and about half the price of similar scientific toys. At number 1. Elenco, Electronic Snap Circuits SC300. Pros: award-winning toy. Provides a fun way for kids to learn about electronics. Includes parts for constructing working alarms, radio functions, and more. Over 300 possible projects. Cons: occasional quality control issues, including missing parts and non-working circuits upon arrival. Some parts are a bit flimsy. Instructions could be better. Bottom line: aside from a few possible frustrations, this is a great STEM toy if your child is interested in learning about electronics. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.